All right, guys, welcome in today's video. We're here to talk about, that's right, MMTLP, and I got a secret stock that we're going to talk about in today's video as well. We have done numerous videos on it in the past, and today it has some very nice price action, and it's another amazing play. So, hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. All right, so first, Metamaterials, man, is just blasting off again here today. We're up over 7.5% during the regular trading hours. We did get back 1.6%, so let's just say we're up about 6% today. Let's go. We will take that all day. Now we have ranges here from the day's range was $1.70 to $1.87. And we get out here and take a look. The volume was right on point, just a little bit more than the average volume. So average volume is 4.3 million. And we traded 4.4 million. And according here to the Yahoo Finance, they still have this 1 year price target of $28.10. That's right. Still sitting there. So they have not corrected it. I would think Yahoo Finance, if that was an error, they would have had this corrected a couple days ago. I believe this just happened on Thursday or Friday last week. And here we are into Wednesday this week. And it's still sitting there. So this must be true analyst price because it's still sitting there. We go take a look. MMTLP is still doing great as well, leading up to the S1 coming up here very soon to be filed. MMTLP is up 7.1%, trading at $1.66. Average volume on this is 365,000 shares, and we traded today 401,000. So more shares were traded today. And as we're on this here, looking at the Yahoo Finance, you can see that the futures right as of right now, recording this video, are slightly red. So very minimal though. S&P futures down 10 points, Dow futures down 61 points, the NASDAQ futures down 49.5 points, the Russell's down 6 points. And next thing we're going to cover here is crude oil and natural gas. Now, I think our crude oil right now is in a cooling off phase because this happens a lot. Where in a sense where stock runs up like crazy, and then it has to cool off before the next leg up. That's exactly what I'm thinking has happened here at WTI crude, because as I bring you this update here today, WTI crude's at $103.08, Brent crude's at $109.60, and natural gas is at $6.70. Now, we were doing videos on this when the Brent WTI crude is like $120 up there and plus, and I believe it is going to hit 150 at one point. It's just doing this little cool off phase before the huge next rally. Oil stocks have been coming down. I've been actually buying a oil play in my dividends only account, so make sure you check out those videos. I put out usually one of those a month, sometimes two. So go into the video tab and type in the $100 dividends only portfolio. You'll see the videos I have in there, and I'll have an update here coming soon as I get dividends into the account this month. So as you can see here, though, WTI crude and all is cooling off, but it's going to be a leg up here very soon. It's going to start shooting up. I think here over the summer, things are going to heat up. All right, so what I want to do here, guys, is bring you into the stock that we've been covering for a while here on the channel. That's right. Ticker symbol GGPI, Gores Guggenheim. This is going to be merging with Polestar electric vehicles, man. We have done numerous videos. If you go and search my videos, type in GGPI. I have dedicated GGPI videos, Polestar, on the channel, and you can see here today up over 17%, up about 12% during the regular trading hours, and another almost over 5.5% on the after hours, and it's just going up. 11:45 right now. You can see here the average volume trade on this is $3.3 million, and we traded over 8 million today. So volume stepped in this and bought it up. Now this is going to change ticker symbols to PSNY. For Polestar, that's right. And this is going to be an EV company that's going to be partnered up with Volvo and Geely. So this is going to be backed by some huge players. I think, in my personal opinion, this is going to be the number 2 player in the EV maker industry here in the United States. Tesla being number 1, Polestar being number 2. Yes, I think this company is going to be, there's projections out there that this company can be producing as many cars as Tesla in the next like 5 years. Now that says a lot because with the help of Volvo and the help of Geely, this could really say something here. Now, like I said, I'm not saying this is going to be the next Tesla. I think it's going to be the number 2 player here in the United States. And currently trending here on StockTwits #1. There is a lot of new followers checking this out because the merger, this is currently setting in as a SPAC, and it's merging over to the new ticker symbol PSNY, and very similar to how Lucid was. Remember, Lucid was ticker symbol CCIV, and now it's LCID. So very similar here. This is GGPI, going to merge with PSNY for Polestar. So just wanted to put this on your playlist because keep an eye on it. If there's any chance of a dip, you could consider adding this to your portfolio. All right, now going here looking at the Fintel, the days to cover is pretty similar to what yesterday was, a little over 10 days to cover. So like I said, it was roughly around that 15 to 17 days to cover. And I believe we had some short coverage because that's why we're getting this run up here. We're up over 27% in the past 5 days. And that's why we're seeing this days to cover come down. To get out here and take a look at the short squeeze score, we're sitting at a 75.38. We are ranked 918 out of 5,400 stocks. And someone did return some shares today because last night during the live stream, I showed you that there was 0 shares available to short, lend, or borrow, and now there's 200,000. So someone did return some borrowed shares. Get out here and take a look though. But the short borrow fee went up because last night in the stream, we were sitting at a 73.51% of a short borrow fee, and now we're sitting at a 77.17. At one point today, we were actually at an 81.95 as a high of a max cost to borrow, but we're sitting at 77. So it's very expensive for them to want to borrow this stock, short it, lend it out, whatever. It's very expensive to do anything with this stock that's hard to get. All right, so the FINRA short volume ratio you saw in last night's live stream, they took it really easy on us and only shorted 27% of the dark pool volume, but they are back to the usual tricks, 51.49% short of the dark pool volume. And we do not have the aggregate there yet. All right. So now I'm going to go over here to John Berta on Twitter and give you some updates on this here. So I'm under John Berta's likes. And as we get down here, of course, we got the metamaterials update with Jonathan Waldron. He'll be speaking at the Tech Blick Innovations Festival this Friday, June 24th at 3:50. I believe I saw that Uncle Smokey is going to be hosting a live stream for this event. So if you're able to attend this event, I'll be at work at that time. But if you're able to attend it, make sure you go check out Uncle Smokey if you want to get this live stream. All right, so here we got John Berta put a like on this. Metamaterial News did a post out here, and let's just look at it. Let's be clear. Meta's upcoming spin out is expected to take place soon. The audit is now complete, and they're waiting for the transfer process. Anyone who purchases MMTLP will get the dividend payout. Anyone who sells won't. So keep that in mind right there. And here you got Kate the Great saying, let's effing go. And that was a like by John Berta saying that we pretty much agree with that. If we get on here, also, we got a post here. This person here was saying, we don't understand. Why is it so hard for people to understand? It's very, very simple. After the 10 to 15 day record date is announced, either the hedge funds or broker dealers must cover all shorted MMTLP shares. This includes legitimate and synthetic shares, all the shares at whatever price there. So there you go. They're going to have to cover MMTLP. They're going to have to get Oilco. So yeah, they're going to be put in a tough place. Now, I think this one here. I think this is the one here. Roller Pigeon had this out here. MMAT equals, this is an interesting point. I wanted to touch base on this. So MMAT for metamaterial stock is MMATF 75% and Torch 25%. The Torch MMTF shares are not disguisable, which is more direct than pro rata route is Torch. MMTLP is 100% Torch equals 100% MMTLP. MMTLP can be traced back to Torch. Only one way to buy Oilco share right now is MMTLP before it becomes Oilco. So there it is. That's pretty much summing it up, guys. I think that's pretty much all I wanted to cover there. Yeah, so we do have a post here from TradeStation. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by this. I'm not giving out any referral codes. People ask that. I don't think they even have referral codes, but I just talk about this because it's a nice place to buy. You buy it. There's no additional fees. It's super easy to buy. And they did a post today, TradeStation here on Twitter, talking about oil. Oil prices continued lower this week as the Federal Reserve battles inflation. Do you expect a bounce or have energy prices already peaked? Hashtag oil. I put a vote in this. Currently, they only have 63 votes, so make sure you go put your vote in. I voted that the oil will bounce. I think this is just a cooling off period, and I do believe that oil is going to go back up. It's just a matter of time here. It's officially summer now. People's going to be traveling. They're going to be filling up them cars, and people's going to be buying the gas. And here I commented on the TradeStation's post by MMTLP, special dividend coming soon. So I'm hoping people see that and be curious what MMTLP is, and maybe they'll get on there and search on the Twitter, search on the YouTube, search on StockTwits, things like that, Reddit, all that social media, and maybe they'll start to understand about MMTLP. Maybe they'll understand about metamaterials. So that is all I got for you in today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you go check out Ggpi. At least put it on your watch list and see what happens through the merger. There could be a dip opportunity. It could be a fantastic time to get in. Like I said, number 2 EV player going to be out there in my personal opinion. So, whoo! Hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And I'll catch you all next video, guys. Peace.